Hi. Whoa.
You gonna go get it?
No, he started attacking him, but he never attacked you. Torpedo! Sorry. Don't bite you in the face. No, he's never bites me. Yeah! Whoa! My shoe!
Okay.
Hi, you guys. He jumped. Come on, see this? That's why. And I was on the after he changed the stuff, the second I laid down. What? After he came down here, the second I laid down here. Yeah, as you go through it.
Oh, you need to put shoes on, honey. Lincoln, whose birthday is tomorrow?
Mine.
That's right.
No, thanks for finding our stuff in.
You're welcome. What, Grant? Your dad's at work? Where's he at work at? Where's Daddy at work at? No, Daddy's not in the Air Force. You're right. He's in the Army, huh? Hey, who's in the Air Force?
Hey, get the tiger!
Grant, who's in the Air Force?
Daddy is Air Force.
Who is?
Senator is Air Force.
That's right. Where's Daddy at?
He at work.
He's at where?
At work.
At work?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
What I'm here.
You know Daddy's coming home in a few days?
He's at work.
He's at work?
Mm-hmm.
You want Daddy to come home and see you?
No.
Yes, you do.
No.
Yeah, Daddy's going to come home for his birthday party.
Mommy, you have a hurt.
Your foot hurts?
Yeah.
Do you want to have a birthday party for Daddy? Do you want to have cake?
My birthday, Mommy?
No, Daddy's birthday soon.
Okay, birthday.
Daddy's going to turn 31.
He's 31.
That's right. Daddy's 31. Can you say happy birthday, Daddy?
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.